Heya! So that was indeed a really good beginning for this section. I'm going to continue along the same lines. And my name is Annina Koskiola, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Proximy.io. And what we want to do at Proximy.io is to make indoor navigation as easy as it is outdoors. The whole field of indoor navigation is quite new. During the last 5 to 10 years, there's been a lot of different technologies, both hardware and software solutions popping out that are trying to solve this problem. But the issue is that each of these solutions is developed by a separate company as a separate silo. So there's some Wi-Fi solutions, beacon solutions, GPS solutions, and so forth. And there's no easy way to combine multiple technologies within a single project. The problem is really big. The market is growing really rapidly. In 2016, the market for location-based services was around 15 billion, and it's expected to grow by 2021 to 78 billion. And this can be very largely explained by the adaptation of smartphones. We use them for everything, for searching information, looking for ways, shopping, and very importantly, we use them daily at our work. And it's not just people like us who do their business through smartphones, but it's also people in manual, more traditional labors, like cleaning, maintenance, care, security. In a lot of these jobs nowadays, they also use smartphones for tracking what they've done during that day. So how we're solving this problem is through a unified positioning platform. What we've done is that we haven't per se developed our own positioning technology, but we bring you an easy access to everything that's out there already. We've added a bit of logic there as our own layer of how to combine these different technologies if you have multiple sensor sources within one building, and also the indoor-outdoor transitions. The benefit of using our platform is that you get more accurate position data. You get solutions that are tailored to different types of buildings and different types of use cases. And also, you're not vendor locking yourself to one hardware or software manufacturer, but you can change it on the fly if there's something else coming out or something else decreasing. And then on the right-hand side of the diagram, you can see the sort of features that our technology then provides you very easily to build to your own applications. How it functions is that we have an SDK that a developer then integrates to their own application. You can do all of the positioning, wayfinding, and that sort of features there on your own application. And then it's all managed on the cloud. We have a web portal that is very easy to use, and we also have REST APIs for everything you can do on the portal. You can also do it through the APIs. Also on the portal, you can see the analytics. We collect heat maps and also numeric information about how many visitors have been visiting and where and how often. And like I already mentioned, wayfinding is our newest feature that we just released on beta about 1 month ago. What makes it really exciting is that it functions also across multiple floors and from indoors to outdoors, which makes it pretty unique. Our go-to-market approach is from bottom up. So our customers are actually software development houses, IT integrators, and some companies that have their own IT teams and own applications, either to external or internal use. And that has allowed us to be global from day one. And this project being built on top of our platform in places that I don't even know where they are. I had to check on a map. Some examples are here, like in Qatar, there's a shopping center that is being implemented with indoor positioning based on our platform. And in Norway, there's a project for construction site safety that is also being built on top of the platform. Here's some of the awards we've won during the few years we've been in operation. But what's most important to us is the feedback that we get from our customers. And we've noticed that in generally, the more technical the user, the more happier they are with our solution. It's so robust and scalable and functions really well for their needs. What this translates in numbers is 3 years in operation, 1.5 the product has been in market. We have now 3,400 plus few registered developers using the solution. It's growing really rapidly. The average this year has been about 10% per month. And the inbound channel is working really well for us. Currently, half of our revenues are coming through self-service customers, so people who actively search for this type of solutions and find us that way. The other half is coming from bigger clients that we're actively selling to. And the user satisfaction that I already mentioned, we ask for feedback whenever we're interacting with our users, and 94% of them are giving us excellent grades. So thank you very much. Please come and talk to me afterwards if you have any questions.